Hey, to pair the Sony WF-C700N with any Android phone, first of all you have to open the case and input both earbuds inside. Then this indicator will light up, and next you have to rotate the case and you have to find this power button on the back of the charging case. So now we have to click and hold this button. Let me do this right now. So click and hold it and wait until this indicator starts blinking blue. There we go. Right now we are in the pairing mode, and as you can see in my case I already have this quick connection, and I'm gonna actually show you how to do this step by step if you don't have it. So you just have to go to the Bluetooth settings, then you have to click to pair new device. From the available devices list you just have to select the Sony WF-C700N. So click on them once, accept the pairing, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. You can also get the Sony headphones application from the Play Store, but on my channel you can find a second video where I'm showing you step by step how to do this. So right now please subscribe to my channel, and that's all. Bye bye.